aboard Stagecoach Cafe in Stockton, Alabama for the last ride of the year.
Yeah, and we're kind of in defrost mode right now. It's definitely been a cold ride, as I'm pretty sure we've already mentioned, but we made it inside, and it's
Pretty sure you can feel your hands. I didn't have heated roofs or heated gloves.
yeah, it's a good crowd forming outside. We decided to come on in and get a seat so we can go ahead and get the buffet before it gets too crazy in here. But they got a real nice country buffet here. It looks like a lot of fried chicken, a lot of catfish, a lot of different things to eat.
Caffeine.
Yeah, definitely getting our caffeine in.
We got fried chicken, baked chicken, pork chops. What else we got? Oh, it's probably some fresh fried chicken. Chocolate buttermilk pie, banana pudding, and peach cobbler. Everything about this meal was delicious. It was home-cooked food. It was great. The okra, I gotta say, best okra. Light, flaky, crispy, great flavor.
Stand out to me was the creamed corn. It was definitely creamy, not liquidy, but extra creamy. And I second what Wendy says about the okra. It was real good. For dessert, I had the banana pudding and Wendy had the peach cobbler.